Whenever I open Word, it will show me product activation failed in the top left corner with this activation wizard. And if I click on close and click on blank document, here I cannot type because it do not allow me for it. So here is the fix for you. We will be following the Microsoft's official guidelines to make it work for us. So we will be using a rearm command. I will link this article in the description for you to check out. For that, let's go to File Explorer first and then find this PC. Go to local disk C. Here you will find program files. Just open it. Click on Microsoft Office. Go to Office 16 and there you will see this file OSPPREARM. Just right click on it and click on Run as Administrator. Click on Yes. If this doesn't work for you in the first try, I recommend you to do it at least 3 times so it works for you. Click on Run as Administrator once again, and I am doing it the 3rd time. You can see here, and after that we can close the Word for now and try to reopen it. So let me go to the search bar and type Word. Open it. Here you can see the product activation failed message has been disappeared, and if I open any document here, I can write. You can see it over here. For more tech updates like this, subscribe to Mac 369 and hit a like.